Okay, just a long. I was up 400. I'm now down to 13. I got chopped here. I made a nice bit on the way down. Took a short at the bottom, and market was reversed on me. So I'm now in one contract long, um, hoping to get my 15 if I can. Up at 50s. I'm just going to set my profit target. That's on ready, good. It's a bit of a long shot, this one, let's be honest. But I'm up nicely at the minute. I want to take it up to the 52 level, which is here, my next resistance level. So that's my target. We're outside this rewrap band as well. So my band I've got. So yeah, this looks like a good spot. So it's it's a risky trade, but I don't normally take long, longer time horizon trades like this. I'm normally sort of in and out of the market a lot quicker. I'm going to protect 100 just to make sure I'm up today. I might take a bit off. I'm not sure. This is basically me done though, so I might just walk away and see where this takes me. I'm up 600 now. Could take off. I really want it to. It looks like it's going to pump up to that level, so I really would like that a lot. Could add actually. It's got some nice momentum to the upside. I could add on a pullback. A pullback down here. I could actually add to this position. I want to get my 1500 as quick as possible. I'm pre-market at the minute. It's only 12 UK, so I've still got 2 hours 20 to the open. So I think I'm going to add again long on this pullback. And then I'm going to protect that. It's a bit tight, to be honest with you. Protect it at 15, see if we can get a pump. I'll get my 1500 quicker then. Bit sketchy to be honest with you. But if we can get another pump higher, I'll be alright. Could be coming down to this level. It's rejected the level, maybe. As it rejected the level, it's just bouncing off that level. Let's have a look into it, we can see. Yeah, we're rejected, we've gone through that level again. This is a key point. So if this either pumps from here or it dumps. It's a very bearish market, so I'm going from a buy the dip kind of mentality. This could really pump higher here. If we get some volume coming, or the opposite, it could just dump through that level. So we're right at the level. But I'm protected. I'm going to make $50, but I could have been up 600 there at one stage. I added fairly aggressively, so it is pre-market. So there's no guarantees, but it's 4624 is a good level to be at. Yeah, it's not really doing much. If we can break those highs there, it could really go. So it's a nice. I'm in heavy, but I've got no risk, so I don't mind being in those positions. That run up gave me a bit of breathing room. So well, looking good for a bullish move. But it is an extremely bearish market at the minute. Down, we've rejected and come back down again. So the buyer's going to have some serious confidence. Hopefully Trump will tweet something. Looks like it could reject here. Nice. Yeah. It's bobbling around. It's got to break these highs for me to be happy. So 5 sell could take off 5 in a minute. Let's lock in 550. If we can break those highs, that's what I really need, and we should get some real movement then to the upside. I'll lock in 200. Just want to break those highs quickly, and we should get a run up. It's only 30 points. That's lovely. I locked in 200 at the end of the day, so it's a risk-free trade. You've got to take some risks, right? Yeah, it's rejecting there. That's got to go up now. Otherwise, we could just have that chip chop. Looks like it wants to go up, to be honest. Could be get some buyers been stepping back in at these lows. It's quite reasonable to move it back up. It's oversold today, so. When I say oversold, I mean the oscillator's come down a long way. We've had no real counter move, so that's what I mean by oversold. I mean it's definitely going down. Definitely going up, rather. Because you can trade a long way in one direction. So, right, I think I'm going to be locking in 500 here. Could be a bit tight, actually. Tricky. I think I'm going to lock in 500. It's a third of my target. It's broken those highs now, so that should pop. Should pop quite aggressively up. If it gets to grand, I'm going to take off 5, I think. I should run. Crazy the way London's been trading like pre-market, like US session. It's crazy. I love it. Can actually do something in the morning, you know. When it's dead volatility, there's no volatility. You can't make anything in London session. It's very difficult. That was running up nice for a second there. What I'd like to be, you see, is I'd like to get my 1500 before the US session. I think that can activate my account. Activate my XFA then, I think. Come on, let's do it. It's only there. 50 was really the target, so well within target there. I might just move it up to there just to make sure I get enough if it does pop. There's no real follow through. That's the downside. I thought it would go. It should run after that. Do I take it? Do I just take it? That's better. Got a little micro resistance there. It's just not really any spot that isn't. Definitely a little bit of resistance there. So I could get taken out here. But I've locked in 500, so. Come on. If it does break, there is a bit of resistance there. So if that does break, it should go. It should go quite well. But I thought that down here. So this is just an area of resistance. Why is that an area of resistance? Just that level. I see. Got a bit of resistance here. Sort of getting through. It's going to stop me out, I think. It's going to stop me. It's too tight. My stop's too tight there. But it's for a reason. Because I want to make sure I lock that in. So if we can break these, it's definitely free running, at least to the 2.6 level. So, yeah, I'll be around where my profit is, yeah. So I'm right on that level, so I've got to stand ready. Got my tea. It's cold, actually. Well, I might just take this if it doesn't move. It's a lovely start to the day. Yeah, that should go. Should go. Over 1,000. I always want to try and lock something in. It's just a psychological number, I think. A little injection of liquidity up here. Now we're rejecting. Got to 900 profit there. Briefly. It's not massively a convincing move, this one. I did get on it quite late as well. 900 there for a second. That could easily take me out. This could easily take me out. Losing momentum. Yeah. There's been a lot of selling today. $500 will be fine. Keep me going unless we can get some decent buying stepping in. It could be a good buy. I could have had 900 at the high there. Really is a level, this one. Just above where I think the level is, so I should reject, but my stop could just be too tight. That's better. Rejected there. It should go through with that volume coming in. So I might take 5 off if we get up to 1,000. Take 5 off. So that's guaranteed me. I've locked in 500 now. So that's nice. So I'm going to leave that there, and I'm going to go for my full 1,000. We're just going to see. I'm locking 100. So I'll be at 664 either way. Right, I'm just going to leave that trade and come back. I'll pause it actually. I don't want you watching a blank screen. 600. It's tempting. Very tempting. I'll leave it on and see how I go. Okay. Happy days with 53,041. So past the combine. I don't know what my stats are on that. Jeez, that's not too bad. 3,041. So London session has been awesome. It's basically extended, doubled my trading time because I can trade London like US session. Combine's passed in 2 days. So happy days again. That's 5 micros. It's serious leverage, you know. But it's only $50 for the challenge. And it just seems like, what's $10 a point? It just seems like a sweet spot for me. It's the money's worth it enough. You know, you get good movement. There we go. What have you done? I think they've just activated it. I think. What the fuck are they doing there? What's that? Deleted it. What the fuck happened there? Just deleted my day. I'll check that out 1 second. Right. Let's do it here. So yeah, it's telling me to activate it now. Activate Express Fund. It's this consistency thing. I deliberately went over my target. $41 consistency. It's in excess of what I should, because I was slightly under on this account, I think. So I've still got my other combine at 1500, 1475, whatever it is. So this light's bloody annoying. That's better. Is that better? I'm feeling green. Right, yeah, so I've just got activated now. I paid my $150 again, which is the profits from my previous trading. So I've got a nice bit in the bank. I'll still leave me 300. So after I pay this activations fee, I'll still have 300 in the bank. 300? 800 payout. Yeah, so I'll still have 300 in reserve to activate the other one as well, and then still have a buffer. So we're looking good. We're looking good. I just need to make sure I do okay with this account. So I'll just activate it and come back. Okay. So we're active. So zero balance again, loss limit. We're all good. We are rocking and rolling. So that's going to come up to this level. That's what I believe, or near around that level anyway. Some resistance up there. But where I put that take profit, that was perfect. That was nicely on the spike. We're just going between levels, right? So it's going between this level and that level, and we're bullish. So we are bullish. It's not, it's high probability that comes in. I'm just surprised that we've got this movement again on the London sessions where 220 points, same as yesterday. And the US session was only slightly more than London session, so it's just a volatile period. This is chop again, but the ranges are big enough to make the money. That's the difference. It's when we get tight range chop, which we haven't had, in fairness, that London session. So you look back, the volatility before, that was okay, not too bad. It's been alright for a good few days now, which is why I'm doing better. That was tight, and it's been reasonable for a while. So anyway, I'll get back to it. Now express funded, happy days. So that's my second express funded. I'm going to leave the other one. I'm going to work on this express today, see whether I can get some profit in that express funded account. I know I've got the other one I can pass hopefully fairly quickly in a day or so, to get it up. So I want to build this account, get a little bit of a buffer, pass the other one, get that, and then I'll have 3 XFAs. That's the target. Unless I blow this today, and I won't have any. Well, I have one. The other one's only got a grand or something in it. So yeah, I've got to really got to concentrate today.